Hi everyone, just a quick tip on how to install the suction arms for shower caddies from IKEA. Basically, first put the caddy against the corner and check exactly which of the slots would be best for the suction. And in this case, the furthest slot on the right side and the closest slot on the left side. Just push them in. They'll do a dry fit. You see how it's in the center of the tile on both sides? You do not want it on the grout lines. And the next step is to clean both tiles. And what I use is isopropyl alcohol. And I do a two-step process where you use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on a rag or a tissue. Clean it thoroughly. You can hear it starting to squeak. And then follow up with a dry cloth, but the isopropyl alcohol dries pretty quick. After that, you take the lids or the caps off. There we go. They're really sticky. Took the caps off of each silicone suction. I'm putting it really close to the corner, and then I'm just going to apply some pressure until it's stuck on. There we go.